Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. I'm here in the beautiful kind of afternoon here during my lunchtime here in Admiralty. Just have a look at the beautiful sights here in Hong Kong. It's a very nice day here, and I'm here with what I hope will be my most epic unboxing ever, guys. This is my unboxing and first look of the Honor 8X. So look at this. Let's open this up, but let me show you first off which one I got. The 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM version. And let's open this bad boy up. There it is in its case there. We're going to turn this bad boy on right now, and there it is. Your first look of the Honor 8X. What a nice phone. Now, as you guys know, I reviewed the Honor 8X Max recently, but I had some really bad times with that phone, so I hope that those will be mitigated this time with the Honor 8X. And it's a smaller phone. It's a 6.5 inch screen, but let's quickly look what's inside the box right here. It's a pretty standard kind of unboxing here. You have your charger, you have your cable. It's a micro USB, same as the 8X Max right there. So no surprises there. There's your little fancy SIM ejector tool. So let's kind of put the plastic in here for now. Let's close this up. And this is your first look right there of the Honor 8X Max. Now I just got this phone, and it was just recently that I got it, and so as you see here, I just got the Play Store set up with it, and I'm going to go through kind of a laundry list of things here real quick. But that's not it, guys. I said this was going to be the most epic unboxing in the history of Frankie Tech, and I wasn't joking when I said that. So let me go ahead and come here and now do my first look of the Mi 8 Lite. Oh yeah! Did I surprise y'all? Did I surprise y'all? Oh yeah! This is the Mi 8 Lite, guys. I told you when Frankie Tech came back, he'd come back with a vengeance, baby. And here I am. This is the Mi 8 Lite. I have the 6GB, 128GB version. This is a first, I think, on YouTube, and you can see it here. This is the blue version. I can barely read the Chinese, but I'm going to go ahead and open this phone up as well. And we're going to do a double unboxing here, guys. A first ever for Frankie Tech. Here, let's open this up. Let's see what's inside here. There it is. Your first look of the Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite. And look at that beautiful back. That is a beaut right there, baby. Now this phone, it's funny because I was going to the store to pick up the Honor 8X, and I just happened to ask the guy if they had any of the Mi 8 Lites in stock. I didn't think they would, because they said basically it's still very hard to find. It's just coming out, and he said we have one left, and this was the one, the blue version that I wanted. And here it is, guys, and let's do this right now. Let's not waste any time. Let's open. Let's hear that. Oh yeah. And shout out to the XS Max right now. The XS Max is doing the recording for this video right here, and oh, that was so nice taking off the plastic there. And so here it is, guys, your first look. Now I have not installed the Play Store yet, but I will be doing that very soon. But this is just meant to be a kind of an unboxing and first look. And you see what's in the box here. We have your standard charger. Now this is a USB-C device. Hallelujah. USB-C. I'm so happy to see that. And your standard Xiaomi charger right there. So overall, very nice unboxing, and you can tell already which box, if you were going to ask me right now which box I like better, I think the answer is very clear. I really love this new gradation on the box. It is really nice. What a nice touch there, Xiaomi. And so there you see them, the two phones. They're now fully unlocked. So let's have a look around here now. Now, apologies for the glare. It's a little bit glared up here, but let's kind of look at each one and kind of just do some quick comparisons here. So talking about design, you know, we're talking about the Honor 8X. Now, as you know, I reviewed the Honor 8X Max. Previously, I had a really bad time with that phone. I'm hoping that this phone will perform better. You can see there's a lot of Chinese bloat here on this phone. And honestly, I'm not looking forward to that because that is something that I did not enjoy with my experience with the Honor 8X Max. But the Honor Note 10 was one of my favorite phones that I've ever reviewed. So hopefully this will go better. This is a 6.5-inch screen, if I'm not mistaken, full HD, and it's running the Kirin 710, a first for Frankie Tech here, the Kirin 710. I'll have to compare, and obviously you see this will be a straight up comparison between these phones right here. So kind of looking at the design now though of the Mi 8 Lite, I think that's the one you're more interested in, and look at that. The first thing I think of when I see this is Huawei. And not just Huawei, but like specifically the P20 Pro and the Nova 3. Those phones had a very similar design. It looks like Xiaomi is now kind of taking from that design language of those two phones right there. And you can see here, just kind of comparing the backs of these phones. The Honor 8X is this kind of black, kind of very nice black back color here. But I love this beautiful gradation on the Mi 8 Lite. It's just a really nice look, and I think overall I do like the design of this one better. Talking about display real quick on the Mi 8 Lite, it's a 5.2, I want to say 5.2 inch screen here. So it's a little bit bigger than the Pocophone, which I also do have with me, but we'll do that kind of comparison later here. But this phone, it has a full HD screen here. There is no screen protector on this. I took that off, so we are running naked here, guys. But the display on these is going to be something that I will be comparing very specifically very soon here. And you can see here on the, and I don't know why it comes in from the side there, but you can see here on the Honor 8X, it is also notched. Both notches are very similar. These are 6GB, talking about performance now, 6GB 128 gig versions. This is running the Snapdragon 660, and this is running the Kirin 970 there. So you're looking at them there. These phones are actually very similar, but that is the beauty of it. These phones are gonna make a really great comparison coming up soon. And now talking about the camera I need to kind of delve more into on the Mi 8 Lite here. If it's anything like the cameras that have been on the recent Xiaomi phones I've tested, like the Mi A2 or the Mi 8 or any of those, I think it'll be a really good camera overall. But I don't know, the Honor 8X Max was so-so overall in its camera. The Honor 8X Max was pretty poor, I think, in the camera department. So if this is pretty similar to that, then we will have to see. And now, last but not least, we're talking about the just overall kind of experience of the phones here. I'm gonna have to test this out, but let's finish off here actually with the camera shot here, the classic Frankie Tech camera shot here. So I'm gonna take the same footage here of these buildings, and let's take the footage of these buildings right here now with the Mi. And there you see that it does have AI camera here on the Mi 8 Lite. So let's take a shot. HDR is enabled by default, just for any of you guys who wanted to know. And let's have a look at the results here. So it's going to be kind of hard to see with the glare, but let's see if I can show you guys. That looks pretty good from the Mi 8 Lite. And it looks pretty good actually on the Honor 8X. So I'm gonna have to definitely test this more, but you can see there the two shots that these phones took together. They were pretty good. So I'll have to do more testing here on these two phones, but stay tuned for that, guys. for that camera test, camera comparison coming soon. So that's it for this video, guys. I've never done a double unboxing on my channel, but oh boy, this one was worth it. This is my this is my Frankie Returns unboxing, and I figured, what the hell, I purged so many phones, so it was time to pretty much come back, and I'm back, baby. I'm back I'm back in style, because I think these two phones are two of the most kind of requested phones that I've seen from you guys in the last couple of weeks here. So stay tuned for my full comparison and review of the Mi 8X, the Honor 8X, and the Mi 8 Lite, right here on Frankie Tech. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content from my channel, definitely subscribe to it. Hit the bell icon for the updates and for my new series here on these two phones. I'll be doing a lot of videos on these in the coming couple weeks. And thanks again for watching, guys. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.